Hello, good day everyone. This is Teps. Welcome back to this channel. We have a TCL Smart LED TV. Model 55P726. It's not turning on and no standby light indicator. I will show you how to fix it. If you are interested in electronics and want to learn how to repair TVs and other electronic gadgets, you came to the right channel. So be sure to like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you never miss a video like this. So let's get started. In the absence of power and light indicator issues, I always first test the secondary voltages. The rectifier diodes are the voltage output, so we will tap the positive probe to the cathode of the diode and the negative probe to the ground or at the metal chassis of the TV. No voltage was measured to the cathodes of the diodes. The main primary capacitor is not charged. And it is not shorted either. I can't tell if the main fuse is open because the fuse is not glass type. A shorted diode is also the reason if there is no voltage output. No long beep means no shorted diode. Let's take out the hybrid board and test which components might be defective. A group of dead ants stacked on the leads of the power MOSFET. I don't have any idea why ants is doing this. The MOSFET seems to be fine, not shorted despite the dead ants hanging out to the lead. The fuse is blown, as I expected. Maybe the ants caused it to fail. One of the rectifier diodes is shorted. I am not sure if the dead ants are responsible for the diode to get shorted. It is okay if we just replace the shorted diode if have the same part number. It is recommended to replace them all. It is not sure if all diodes are good by only testing it with a multimeter. So let's remove all the rectifier diodes and replace them all. Adding soldering lead makes better reflow and easier to pump out the soldering lead. I have spent 35 years in electronics repair. Using the tools designed for me, like this soldering pump. I enjoy this traditional method of desoldering components, even though it may not be very precise. It brings back hard times in desoldering memories. Keep adding soldering leads if not successful and try again. All are successfully removed. I have a donor LED TV board. These diodes are also the AC rectifiers. This is an excellent substitute. Let's remove the diodes in the fastest way. Add soldering lead, and use a flat screwdriver to carefully remove the diodes. I don't buy components for repairs. I keep LED TV boards and reuse their components. It provides a practical solution for customers to avoid high charges. Let's test the diodes before soldering it in place. The cathode measures the forward voltage drop is about the average of 0.51 volts, OL or open line in reverse bias. The original diode is IN5408 and we replace it with IN5408G. The IN5408G peak forward surge current is 125 amps, while the IN5408 peak forward surge current is 150 amps. They are 1000 volts maximum repetitive peak reverse voltage. It is a small difference with the peak forward surge current. Let's solder the diodes in place. We cannot insert the pins of the diode without removing the excess soldering lead. Use flux to remove excess soldering lead. The soldering lead flowed over on the tip of the soldering iron with the help of the flux. We can now easily insert the diode. I use 220 ohms 15 watts resistor solder in the terminal of the blown fuse for the safety test. You can use a 15 watt incandescent lamp for this method. Let's try it and see if we have an output voltage now. We have about 81 volts on this diode. This is probably the LED backlight supply. 12.1 volts on this diode. The primary capacitor is about 300 volts, which is normal. And the 220 ohms resistor is not generating heat, which means no more shorted components. Let's replace the fuse now. I have a LED TV board with a working fuse, rating 3.15 amps and 250 volts. For continued protection, use fuse at the same rating. Now place back the hybrid board and see if will work. Seems working now.
A few moments later.
The TV is now working great. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed and learned something from this video. You can help this channel by liking, subscribing, and joining as a member, and don't forget to ring the notification bell to keep you up to date. Once again, I am Tefs. See you again next time. Bye for now.